I Spencer I play music. I am father bling, but I want Shella man. In a year, but I put it up much time, man. Bless by the body, though. Yo, my side, on a snipe of this stuff in there, please. We are gonna snipe. They're gonna snipe them, my side, please. Empress, beat on the last piece.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. So my people, another TikToker get cut down right on live. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, this youth who them call One Baba Skeng. Well, he wasn't one of them popular TikToker like Naya Gang or like 41 Busted, my people. But he was a TikToker who was doing his thing and trying to aim to the top. Based on evil information I get, my people, this youth here, you understand, who was cut down on a TikTok live same way, One Baba Skeng. A Jamaican son, you know. Based on information I get, say a reggae artist, Jamaican, a fame son. And if you haven't know Jamaican, my people, you know the song say, my princess gone, five, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Them say a fame son, my people. One Baba Skeng. And him get cut down on the life. But unfortunately, my viewers and subscribers, sometime up in a Monday evening, April the 28th, 2025, he was there on his live, my people. A Virgin was there playing music at the side like them there one business establishment. Me say somewhere on Red Hills Road did happen, you know what I mean, allegedly, you know what I mean. And them same people while he was there, and you know, on the live, while the person that played the music, somebody was there on the live stream with him, my people. And unfortunately, a man in a mask and a pullover just walk up, my people. And that is it. Right upon the live. And you know what I say, my people? I watch everything while I go on. As I can see the look up, you know what I mean? Some part of it, because you know we have to black out parts of people, because you don't know the guidelines go on this platform. I saw the person who played the music did a sit down, my people. And him see the person now walk up and come up in a mask and pull over. And him not make a move. Is when the person wheel out and squeal out and pie, him do make a run off the people. All I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, you see the TikTok thing, when me look into it, TikTok another problem, TikTok another trouble in the cause. Before we used to blame TikTok and we say, yo, TikTok need to get banned from Jamaica, this TikTok thing. No. TikTok now do nobody nothing, my people. We ourselves do ourselves thing. Because we have so much TikTokers out there. In Jamaica, around the world, my people. I been in the States, and all 12, 1 o'clock in the night, people in some hood, neighborhood. I say streamers out there, my people. With them ring and thing, and them a do them, whatever, them look a reaction thing, and I do them TikTok in a hood, me I tell you. Nobody not trouble them, nobody not see them. People, the whole thing are forward from how we live our life and the lifestyle we choose to live. Within TikTok or before TikTok. You understand? Because I say this before. It's just like how we tell a youth say, know the road where you choose from a young. You got to choose badness and gang activity. You know what I mean? And then you have to know where you choose. Because choose is this thing and then they decide say you want cut from this thing and they do cut up back on you in the long run. You know, make no sense. So you know the road where you choose. Some of them youth are my people. They make some choice in their life. And I got judge this youth a One Baba Skeng or Buddha Skeng or where you want to name. You see me? But I'm just saying they make some choices in their life. And the choices that they make earlier part in them life do caught up back on them down the stretch of life. You see me? Number one, a person on TikTok, my people, are doing live stream. Everybody can know your move. Everybody can know where you go, where you went. You understand? Everybody can know that. So, you know what I mean? I peep, yo, youths and youths, you have to just think, bro. Think. You know what I mean? Think. You upon life, bro. Me not gonna say it's right. We should not right. Nobody, you know, right for nobody take nobody life, bro. You know, right. Not part of it, not right. But yo, we know the type of society we are living in right now, my G. We know what go on, and at time for people just realize that yo, things is totally different now. It just easy for people can finish it and write you off. It easy nowadays. You know what I mean? And not draw for my story, but I'm just saying now, you have a lot of people out there. What do people evilness, bro? What do people wickedness? Me a talk about Jamaica, because Jamaica this happening, you know. A whole heap of people out there do people evil and wickedness, bro. And I take people things, take people money, and I take people for fool. And expect say, you know what I mean? Oh, if you go like that, me take a person money and do this and do that, and things just go that way there, and them, it just pass on and pass by. When people work hard for them own. Or it end up so people, you know what I mean? Yo, there's a lot, bro, going on. And people just not think, I have to say, what in a people mentality for people realize, say, we are living at some different times now, my G. Things are not like before. And not like before. Things is totally different now. It's really a sad situation, because when we see how the youth that roll up right upon life, they're no business, my people. And them deal with it right there, so. You know what I mean? And that's why I say, people, youths and youths, you have to think. TikTok is a platform now where every youth want to use, because dialing now works. Every youth want forward on the TikTok. You know what I mean? Do them thing, do them match, do them live and make some money. Which food I make. You know what I mean? Food I make. But youth think I want to watch in a life before time catch up on. It's a sad situation, but think. Eh? One SH0CKING, people, young TikToker, him not big yet, him not popular. You know what I mean? Where to forward from? Who knows? One SH0CKING must know who him a feud with. You know what I mean? One SH0CKING must know who him link with. And sometimes people in a life is, you know, things set up. You may be in a man, you know, not in a problem, you know. You may be in a war with no man, no friction, I do no man, nothing, you know. But just because you have a virgin and a link, you know, who are feed them enemy, you know, and a your virgin, you know, you end up to them becomes their enemy, you know. And I saw them want you out. Just saying. You can have a family member, you know. You know what I mean? Who do people things, you know. Family member cut, left you. You understand? And them can't catch quacker. Them say make me hold the shot. I'm just telling them, my people, these things do happen, these things do occur a lot of time. People lost them life in some situation. I have to think, I have to wonder, I have to say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. You see me? But my viewers and my subscribers, man, look here, people, walk good a road, think good. You understand me? Say it over and over. Not trust nobody. You can't trust people, because people nowadays is so evil, so vicious, and so wicked, my people. You know what I mean? But I just hope the police, them, the authorities, them, detective, inspectors, them can do them necessary checks and investigation into this. And they can find the perpetrators who are responsible for this. Because at one place in our one community, one area, you know, where they want to happen at Spanish Town or Red Hills Road or Kingston or Uptown or Roundtown or down. Anyway, happen. Because looking on the building from the side, I can see camera is there, my people. A community person do it. It has to be somebody within the vicinity of the area who do this for people. I never want care, you know what I mean? Somebody. But only Jah sees and he knows the people. Only Jah sees and he knows. Well, big up on yourself, my people, and thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the share, comments and everything. Remember, just follow me on all social media platforms, my people. Instagram, Facebook, you don't know, X, TikTok, and just remember to do it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, people. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Blessings. I'm out. Big up.